Hi, I'm Dr. Dean Kane, and a board-certified plastic surgeon. You were so wonderful to open my previous discussion about how to wear a mask properly. Now let's talk about what we do about cleaning our hands properly. So for 40 years, since my residency, we've had to open up an actual sponge with bristles and soap, but had to remove everything underneath our nails and lather up for 3 minutes, brush the nails, and so forth. But today, the CDC is only recommending you to actually wash your hands for 20 seconds. The most important thing is to get rid of the oils that feed bacteria, yeast, and also viruses. So what we're going to do is wash our hands by wetting our hands, lathering up, getting all the way up into the wrists, but just as importantly, being able to scrub within the webs and total digits of our fingers. By the time you've done this, you've done 20 seconds worth of lathering and washing both the back of your hand and the front of your hand. Go ahead and rinse, and you're all set. Another way to do this, of course, is using an antiseptic. And the antiseptics have both 70% alcohol plus some aloe. So very similarly, you want to be able to get on both sides of your hands to your wrist and be able to get in between the fingers, the entire finger, and the web of the fingers. Allow it to fully dry, and you'll be ready until the next hand washing. See you soon.